Hi, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. Just want to shoot a real quick video on the 2019 Dodge Challenger hood stripe. This is the racing stripe kit that we've got. And as you can see, for the 2019 we have the ported hood. So I just want to show you what you can do until we get it pre-cut for you, which I know that's in the works. And then this video is going to be obsolete. But until then, what I'm doing is I'm taking so I don't have to cut on the car, I'm actually taking the 3M knifeless material and wrapping it around the port. Then I'm going to lay the stripes over it, pull that out, have that port, and there will be no cut marks on the car. And if the customer decides to take them off at any point in time, there will be no cut marks and no chance of having to repaint a hood. That would be terrible. But things like that happen, so this is just one option that you have that will help if you want to install the 2019 Dodge Charger racing stripes. And just thought I'd pass that on and show you how that works. Again, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals, and please subscribe. And any suggestions you have on some new kits that you want to see, please let me know. Have a great day.